If you've been watching crypto videos, joining Telegram groups, or buying random courses, and still feel confused, stuck, or scared to invest, this video might save you months of frustration and costly mistakes. Most people don't fail in crypto because crypto is bad. They fail because they never learn a clear system. And that's exactly what I want to talk about today: crypto wealth mastery. I'll break down what it actually is, who it's for, who should not buy it, what you can realistically expect, and whether it's worth your money. No hype, no fake promises. The real problem most crypto beginners face. Here's the truth no one says. Too much information. Conflicting strategies. Fear of losing money. No clear entry or exit plan. Emotional trading. You end up watching charts instead of making money. Crypto wealth mastery is designed to solve that exact problem by giving you a simple, repeatable framework instead of random tips. Who this program is for. This is for you if you're a beginner or intermediate in crypto. You want a clear step-by-step system. You prefer low stress, smart decisions over gambling. You want long-term wealth, not overnight luck. This is not for you if you want get rich overnight signals. You don't want to learn anything. You expect guaranteed profits. Crypto is risky. This program reduces risk, it doesn't remove it. What crypto wealth mastery actually teaches. Instead of technical overload, it focuses on how crypto markets really move. When to enter, hold, and exit. How to manage risk so one bad trade doesn't wipe you out. How to avoid hype coins and scams. How to build a long-term crypto portfolio. This is strategy first, tools second, which is how professionals think. Why this works better than most crypto courses. Most courses do one of two things. Overcomplicate everything. Give vague motivation with no execution. Crypto wealth mastery is different because it's structured. It's beginner-friendly. It focuses on decision-making, not prediction. You don't need to stare at charts all day. You need clarity, and that's the real value here. Common doubts. Is crypto still profitable? Yes, but only if you understand cycles and risk. Can beginners really do this? Yes, because it starts from the basics and builds gradually. How long before I see results? This depends on effort and market conditions. This is not instant money, but it builds skill that compounds. How it compares to other options. Free YouTube videos equals scattered and inconsistent. Signal groups equals dependency and risk. Crypto wealth mastery equals self-reliance and clarity. Instead of following others, you learn how to think. Why timing matters. Crypto rewards people who prepare early. Stay disciplined. Avoid emotional decisions. Waiting usually means entering late. If you're already interested in crypto, learning now is smarter than guessing later. Final verdict. Crypto wealth mastery is not magic. It's a framework. If you want structure, confidence, and long-term thinking, this is worth considering. Check it out using my affiliate link below. You may also get bonuses or discounts depending on availability.